1962 Dodge Dart. The 1962 Dodge Dart is another car cursed by bizarre styling and its orphan status within the Mopar family. It was a downsized, radically redesigned model that was met with confusion and derision from the public, described as a vision from a fever dream with a bizarro front end featuring quad headlamps at different heights. While it could be ordered with the legendary 413 Max Wedge V8, turning it into a formidable drag strip weapon, these versions are exceedingly rare and valuable. The vast majority sold were mundane commuters. The critical issue for restorers is that the 1962 model features a one-year-only body style. This means that trim, glass, and body panels are nearly impossible to find. Restoring one almost certainly requires a donor car, which is just as difficult to locate. With virtually no reproduction parts support and minimal collector value for non-Max Wedge cars, the 1962 Dart is a project to avoid at all costs.